In this video, we listed the 5 best dog houses that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Petsfit 47-inch Dog House. The Petsfit Outdoor Dog House is a spacious and stylish accommodation designed for large dogs, measuring 47-inch DX40 WX43.3H, and made from durable wood in a modern grey finish. Equipped with a waterproof PVC roof that prevents rainwater accumulation and ensures easy maintenance, this dog house also features a large window, allowing pets to enjoy the view while being shielded from wind and snow by a plastic divider and door curtain. The adjustable footpads, with a minimum height of 3.3 inches, elevate the structure above damp ground and provide stability on uneven surfaces, enhancing its weatherproof capabilities. Additionally, the house is adorned with a flower railing, allowing for decorative plants and enhancements that make it an attractive addition to any yard, while providing a warm and comfortable retreat for up to 2 dogs, complete with space for their beds and toys. Number 2. Suncast Deluxe Dog House. The Suncast Dog House is a spacious and cozy retreat designed for dogs weighing up to 100 pounds, offering a comfortable and secure environment. Constructed from durable and waterproof materials, it provides reliable shelter year-round, effectively withstanding the elements. Its clever design features a crown-channeled floor that captures fluids, keeping the interior clean and dry, while a removable roof allows for easy cleaning. Optimal ventilation is ensured through strategically placed vents, which facilitate air circulation to keep your pet cool and content. Additionally, the dog house includes personalized labels, allowing you to customize it with your pet's name, adding a charming touch that makes it feel like home. Number 3. Aivituvin Dog House. The Aivituvin Dog Kennel offers a variety of options in different sizes and colors, including a notable 59.1-inch brown model with an insulated liner priced at $259.99, as well as smaller variations available in both brown and gray, with prices starting as low as $79.99. These kennels are designed for durability and comfort, featuring a metal frame and wooden structure that ensures weather resistance and stability, capable of accommodating dogs of all sizes. The unique insulated liner enhances warmth during winter months and is machine washable for convenience. Additionally, the construction includes a raised floor and an asphalt roof to protect against the elements, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. With a straightforward assembly process that requires minimal tools, this kennel combines practicality and functionality for pet owners seeking a reliable shelter for their furry companions. Number 4. Binbo Bamboo Dog House. The Binbo Dog House is a modern and eco-friendly shelter designed for small animals, measuring 21 inches deep, 20 inches wide, and 20.7 inches high, with an entrance size of 12.2 inches by 13.2 inches. It accommodates small dogs weighing up to 55 pounds and cats up to 33 pounds, making it suitable for breeds like Maine Coons, Corgis, French Bulldogs, and Pugs. Their house features a ventilation design with holes on all sides to ensure air circulation, keeping pets cool in summer and warm in winter. Constructed from sustainable, non-toxic bamboo, it boasts a sturdy structure with multiple layers for enhanced durability. Installation is straightforward, requiring no tools, and can be completed in just 5 minutes. Packaged in a gift box with a plastic handle, it makes an ideal present for friends or family who are pet owners. Number 5. Midwest Dog House. The Midwest Homes for Pets Alio Outdoor Dog House is a small and innovative solution designed for small dog breeds weighing up to 25 pounds. Measuring 21.74 inches deep by 33.59 inches wide and 25.28 inches high, this lightweight wooden dog house, which weighs 42 pounds, boasts a unique no-tools assembly feature that allows for quick setup. Simply unfold the house, and it's ready for use. Its spacious interior offers comfort and protection from outdoor elements, while the elevated base enhances ventilation and keeps pets dry, thanks to adjustable ground posts that ensure a level platform. Available in various sizes and insulation kits, the Aivituvin Dog House provides a practical and stylish shelter for your furry friend.